Ready? I'm so excited. Let me press right in. Oh, I can't wait for this to be totally looks good. I feel like, oh, do I missing anything? Hey Dom, how are you? Just looking what set is the best for flowers and butterflies. I want to order the Chanfo for. You want me to show you what the best set? I'll show you right now. Look at that. Look at that. Great. All right. Debbie, just hold for a second. I'm put the top coat on and I'm going to show you what the best sets for you if you want flowers and you want butterflies. No white top coat. And we're going to finish this nails. Just a second. Oh, this one is so beautiful. I think I like the Holos foil better. Do you think? It looks so pop into this nails. Like all the nails will be really nice. I can't wait. Maybe next set I should wear this. I like that a lot. I don't know. I keep saying it with every single nails that I've done. I have no idea. I just love it. All right. Keep for 60 seconds on under the LED lamp. Hey, classy signatures. Hey, sweetie, how are you? All right, this one, you want to get really cool if you go to a glitter system and such. And this is one of the set I would suggest if you're looking for Chanfo foil for butterflies. I did quite a few of them on this. Like this is butterfly right here. It's so stunning. And there's another butterfly here. This, if you get this, you will never go wrong with this. It's flowers and butterfly. And if you see some of my video back then, you will see a lot of different cool look that I create with this. Vicky did one of this too. And then Sarah did some really stunning. Vicky did this one as well. And Sarah did some really stunning one with designer Gucci's. Oh my goodness, this one, I think I did this one as well too. This is so beautiful. I can't help it when every time I just open this. And I was like, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want everything. Yeah, great. So that's an idea for you. And let's move on to the next one. See, I'm like, have so many ideas of that. And then here's butterfly too. And flowers, so it's gonna be so stunning. So that's what the set if you want to get your butterflies and flowers. There's 2 colors and 2 designs. It's just like in no time, like it's really fast. I'm doing it slow for you step by step, but then if you're at the salon, whoop,